Hi, good morning. So, Envision is open and I was able to explore it a little bit. So, first you go to Teach Hub, and then even you go home, K-12 or middle school, you could see Envision there. Just click that, and stars already have populated our classes over here. Um, you could see that the students are also there, right? But the first thing you should do is get the book. So click here and pick the book that you need. So I pick Envision 6th grade math and I save that. So I did that in every single class that I have. So I have chosen all the books that I need. You're gonna start off without creating your Savva Realize account. So just click this one and follow the steps. I already did it, so I cannot show it to you. But as soon as you're done with all those steps, the creating your name, choosing your book like that, and then you're gonna see it like this. So I pick a background of like that. You could choose whatever you like. And then all the books, I've chosen all the books. So I pick all those three books anyway. So just, then if you notice I have 10 classes. Actually, I only have five, but I created, I'll tell you later on what side and view all my 10 classes. So my classes are here. So it's 10 because the original classes are here. So over here, I have all my classes, right? But I could not use this one, the one that was used by Stars to upload because it uses the my students account. So what I did is I import my Google classes and I just change the backgrounds and everything. So let's say so I import all of them like that, right? So that's the first step. You import your class, or I don't know, maybe you could discover how you're gonna assign assignments to these classes, but I find it hard. So what I did is I import a class. So let's say, for example, import a Google class. I still have one class left that I have imported because it was just my dummy account. So let's say I have 14 homeroom, and I'm gonna pick sixth grade math for them, right? And then I'm gonna import my class. And there you go, it's imported and finish it. And I could view my class, right? So that one that I did is already imported. The one that I just did import is here, 614 homeroom class, right? It's this is the this picture is the template picture. So now I don't have assignments yet that I was assigned to this classes, correct? So I could click this and change it whatever I want. So here, wait a minute, what did I do? So explore your program. So I'm gonna pick a program for this class. So I'm gonna pick sixth grade program. So that gonna be assigned to the class. And since I have this already here, so this getting started, teacher edition, um, sixth grade readiness, topic 1, topic 2, and topic 3. Since sixth grade are like all over the place, so let's say I got understand that's topic 5 already based on this Envision. So understand ratio and rate, so I'll pick that. It's gonna populate all the things for unit 5 or topic 6. So let's say I want to give them assign them a lesson that says readiness to assessment. I don't know what you guys want, but I picked this mid topic because I'm already like we're almost towards the end of this topic. So if you see there's options, not all of them are assigned can be assigned as an assignment. So like for example here info teachers customers. I don't know how is that, I didn't explore it yet. So like that, it doesn't allow you to assign to kids. The only thing that is ready to assign is this. So let me assign that. Right? So topic 5 mid assessment. So let's say I'm gonna give it today. So I want to start this today. But since it's new, I cannot just give it for one day. I might give it until Friday. And I could say complete the task on given time. Yeah, just something like that. Then I will gonna assign this to my class. Like, you click it, you're gonna see it. But I think the only class that I haven't assigned it is to my 614 homeroom. Oh, you could assign it to each personal kid, not just to a class. But I could assign this to my other class. Where is that? 614. Wait, I think that was homeroom. Wait, it's already assigned an assignment to them. Here, 614 homeroom. This is my dummy account. So then I'm gonna assign it, right? Then it says your assignment was created, realized up here in a Google Classroom. All right, that was fast. So I'm gonna go to the Google Classroom. So this is my classroom. I'm gonna go to the dummy account. I have 614 homeroom. All right, and it's here. Look, it's in the stream. It's right here. Maybe I'll get it. Go to classwork. Here, topic 5 mid-topic assessment. So that was already assigned. So I assigned 31 kids. All right, so it's there, and then they click this, and then they were able to what do you call that? Join Realize. So I just did the assignment so that they're gonna were able to like connect themselves to Realize thing. Yeah. So far, that's it, and I'm gonna discover more and how to check the assignment. But for now, my goal is like to let them jump in the account in Realize. So I hope it helps. All right, guys, have a good day.